Hello guys and welcome to AMH Tech SL. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Android smartphone without losing any data. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications on the new videos I post. So without further ado, let's get started. So before resetting our phone, let's back up all of our contacts to our Gmail account. So first let's click on the contacts app and then click on the hamburger icon, which is the menu, and then click on import export, and then you will have to import the contacts from your phone contacts. So I've just selected the phone contact and then click on next. Next, you will have to select the Gmail account which is associated with your smartphone and then click on next. And then select all the contacts which you need. So I'm going to select all. Right, so I have 12 contacts in total. So press the tick button. And then they will start getting backed up to your Gmail account and you will receive the message copy contacts successfully. Next, let's back up our SMS messages and our call logs from our phone. So first you will have to open the Play Store. And then next type in SMS backup and then install the SMS backup and restore app by Sync Tech Pty Ltd. So this is a green icon, so you have to click on install.
A few moments later.
So we have successfully installed the SMS backup and restore app. So the next thing we will have to do is we'll have to click on open. Then the app starts to initialize and then click on get started and then allow the permissions. So it will ask for 3 permissions. So the first one is to access our contacts, so we'll have to give allow, and then we'll have to allow it to access our SMS messages. So I'll click on allow, and then the next permission is we should allow this app to use our call logs. So you have to click on allow. So once you have pressed allow for everything, you will receive a screen like this. So the next thing you will have to do is you will have to click on set up a backup, and then I would like to back up my messages and my call logs. So it shows that I have 9 messages which are not backed up and 2 calls from the call log which are not backed up as well. So we will have to tick the messages and the call logs and then click on next. So I want to save it to my Google Drive, so I'm taking the Google Drive and then click on login and then click on OK. Next, select the Gmail address for SMS backup and restore. So I'm going to select this Gmail account and then click on OK. And then it will start to load. And then next, the Google Drive will ask you permission to allow SMS backup and restore to use your Google Drive folders and files. So let's go down and click on allow. And then the authentication has been completed successfully. And then let's click on save. So we have successfully configured our Google Drive, and then click on next. So let's select weekly. Let's click on backup now, and then you will see backup in progress that is running on your SMS backup and restore. So everything will start to get backed up, and once it is backed up, you will see the backup complete message. So you can see what are included in the backup. You can see there are 9 messages and 2 calls from our call log. So we have successfully backed up our SMS and call log of our device. So next, let's back up our WhatsApp messages, including all the media files like the images and videos of particular chats in WhatsApp. So first, let's open the app and then click on the 3 dots on the right upper corner, and then click on settings, and then click on chats. Then scroll down and then click on chat backup, and then scroll down and then select the Google account, and then select the Gmail address of your Google Drive. Then tick include videos and click on backup to Google Drive, and then select only when I tap backup, and then choose the account. Next, click on the green backup button and wait for it to back up all your messages and media files. So now we have successfully backed up all our chats and media files to our Google Drive. So next we would need a micro SD card which is available in the market. In this video I'm going to use a 2 GB micro SD card to copy certain files from the internal storage to the SD card.
A few moments later.
So now I have inserted the SD card into my device. First let's open the file manager, and then you can see that I have inserted the 2 GB memory card into the device. So first let me go to the internal storage, and I want to copy some files. So I have a book which is downloaded in the downloads folder. So let me open the downloads folder and long press it and then copy it, and then select the location, the SD card. So I'm selecting my SD card, and then I'm going to click on paste, and there it has pasted my important book. And if you have other files, then you can copy that as well in the same manner. So since we have reset our phone and we want to recover all what we had backed up, let's start with the Contacts app. So let's open the Contacts app, and you can see that there aren't any contacts. So you can click on import contacts from the Gmail to your phone. So if you see something like this, then you will have to go to settings and then go to accounts, then Google, and then tick the sync contacts, and you can see that it is syncing now. You can see it has got synced. So once you open the contacts, you will see the contacts which were there before you reset your phone. Next, let's restore all our SMS messages and our call logs. So for that you will have to install the app again. So I'm going to install the SMS backup and restore app from the Google Play Store. From SyncTech Pty Ltd, click on install.
A few moments later.
So we have successfully downloaded and installed the SMS backup and restore app. So now I'm going to click on open. Next click on get started and then allow all three permissions, and then the app starts to initialize, and click on restore and then click on yes, and then click on Google Drive location and then click on OK. Next select the Google account which you had backed up all of your SMS and call logs. Alright, so we are able to see that we have backed up 9 messages and 2 calls from the call log. So next click on restore and then click on OK and then click on yes, and we have successfully restored all of our call logs and messages. So now we'll go to the home and then first click on the message app, and then on top you will receive a notification that the messaging is not your default SMS app. Set it as your default app. Click it and change it as your default SMS app, and you can see that all the messages have come back and even the call logs has also come back. Next let's restore all our WhatsApp data, which is the chats and the media files. So first open the Play Store and let's install WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp has been successfully downloaded and installed on our device. Next open WhatsApp and agree to the terms of service, and then enter your phone number. I will blur this out. And then click on OK. And once you receive the code, it will get verified automatically. And then click on continue and then allow all the permissions, and then it will start to look for backups. So now it has found the backup which we had backed up. So now I'm going to click on restore. And then your messages will start to get restored. So let's wait for it to happen and then click on next. Next you will have to type in your name, so let me type in a random name and then click on next, and it will start to initialize. And we can see the same chats which were there before we reset our phone. So you can see the first chat where he had sent some setup photos. So you can see that all the photos have also come to my device after the reset, and even the chat has come. Thank you for watching my videos, and please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.